Hi guys, welcome to Vesla Mobile e-Food Cart. So for this video, we do have our version 2 of Wing type food cart. So what we have here is a very new, mas mataas, mas maluwag, tsaka mas maganda. So we do have a different design for you guys in our Wing 2. Yun! So what we have here is still, we have our lighted signage sa gilid at saka likod. We have here parang visible na visible ka sa mga customer mo. We also have here our lighted signage sa loob and extra space for your client needs. So kung client mo gusto kumain sa harap nyo or just extra space for your product, pwede. Tsaka sobrang tibay na rin siya. So the good thing about this one is wala na yung tulo, yung problema natin sa ulan, na-dissolve na natin siya. Kasi kapag ito, dito umulan, kapag dito, diretso na yung hulog ng tubig. So hindi na problema yung ulan sa atin. What we have here also is a stoplight and signal lights. Available na sa likod. So yun, we also have extra spaces and storage to you guys. So we have here our ano naman yung area na kung saan yung mga stock nyo. Then we also have here our extra spaces. Also here, extra spaces. Then what we have is a storage naman for your gasoline, generator. Dito naman sa papasok sa loob. Pag-zoom up. Then we have here also extra storage for you for your supplies and ingredients. Dito naman siya for supplies, ingredients, and utensils yun. We have here available. So, if you're looking forward na gusto nyo isang set na yung package yung papadala namin, we also have a offer sa inyo yung kapag kami yung maghanap ng mga grinder nyo, mga fryer nyo, yung mga ice cream machine nyo, yung mga kawa nyo, just let us know ano yung sizes, ano yung specs para ma-deliver sa inyo. We also deliver nationwide, Manila, Visayas, and Mindanao. So message lang kapag ano yung need nyo, ano yung mga location nyo, para at least ma-serve namin on your doorstep na yung food cart natin. If you're problematic with your location, bago ka pa lang sa business, or when you want to try your menu, this is the best option for you guys. So, at least, you can choose your location, wala ka ring renta, wala ka ring renovation, wala ka ring advance deposit, wala ka ring security deposit, tsaka you can handle your stuff well kasi isa or dalawang stop lang naman yung kailangan nyo. So, tuloy-tuloy yung dating ng mga cart natin from Vesla Motors. So, if you're looking forward to have your very own cart, message Vesla Motors, Iloilo Bike Shop on our comment or PM. So, see you!